Anterior lenticonus is a localized cone-shaped deformation of the anterior lens surface. It is often bilateral and associated with Alport syndrome. The syndrome is characterized by sensorineural deafness, renal disease, and ocular abnormalities. This is a short video on the approach to the management of a case of anterior lenticonus due to Alport syndrome. Our patient was a 19-year-old boy who had been experiencing gradual and painless loss of vision in both eyes for the past 3 years, with audiometry indicating a bilateral sensorineural deafness. In addition, the patient had a medical history of chronic renal disease. Clinical examination revealed a central oil drop reflex in both eyes and a central protrusion of the anterior lens capsule, pointing towards the diagnosis of anterior lenticonus. Keratometry readings indicated a significant astigmatism in the right eye. Clear lens extraction with intraocular lens implantation was performed sequentially under topical anesthesia, with the right eye followed by the left eye 4 weeks later. Femtosecond laser cataract surgery was planned to correct for the astigmatism as well as to create a precise capsulotomy opening. The anterior capsule in lenticonus patients is tough and difficult to puncture with the cystotome. Lenticonus poses a significant challenge during capsulorhexis with high chances of peripheral rhexis extension. The capsule is also known to be quite fragile. However, due to the bulge of the anterior lens capsule, the planning software of the Catalyst Precision laser system was unable to automatically identify the anterior capsule plane, and it had to be selected manually. During the procedure, it's important to carefully observe the anterior lens capsule and the outline of the circular markings made. In this case, it's noted that the area under the rhexis to the right is slightly lower than the outline created for the rhexis by the Catalyst system. This difference becomes important later in the video as the rhexis was found to be incomplete in this corresponding area. However, the femtolaser procedure itself proceeded uneventfully, and the patient was then shifted to the operating room for the remainder of the surgery. During the phacoemulsification step, a small attachment of the lens capsule was seen at the 6 o'clock position. To complete the procedure, a 23-gauge rhexis forceps was used to remove this attachment. This issue could have been prevented by increasing the depth of range of capsulotomy from the standard 600 microns to 1000 microns. This is especially important for cases of anterior lenticonus where the cone is known to be of differential steepness. Despite this complication, the clear lens extraction was successfully completed without any further issues. A single-piece hydrophobic intraocular lens was implanted in the bag. For the left eye, which did not have significant astigmatism, a Zepto device was used to create the capsulotomy. The Zepto Precision Pulse Capsulotomy System is a novel technology used to create precise and accurate circular openings in the lens capsule during cataract surgery. This method involves the use of a small handheld device that delivers a controlled discharge of energy to create a capsulotomy with high precision and consistency. The procedure begins with the insertion of the Zepto device through a small incision in the cornea. Once the device is properly positioned over the lens capsule, the suction ring is activated to stabilize the eye and create a controlled vacuum. It then uses a series of precisely controlled pulses to create a circular opening in the anterior lens capsule. The system utilizes an array of nitinol capsulotomy tips, each of which contains a laser machined hole that functions as a plasma initiator. A plasma discharge is created by the application of energy from the device, which initiates cavitation bubbles that propagate through the lens capsule and creates the desired capsulotomy. The precise and controlled nature of the Zepto method enables the creation of uniform and circular openings with minimal risk of damage to surrounding tissue. In addition, the use of a disposable single-use device reduces the risk of infection and contamination during the procedure. Overall, the Zepto PPC system is a safe and effective method for creating a capsulotomy during cataract surgery. It creates a circular, precise, appropriately sized, free-floating anterior capsulotomy while mitigating the risk of a manual rhexis, and is a much more cost-effective alternative to femtocataract surgery, especially when a manual rhexis is risky.